Alright guys, I've got my Tika T3X on my bench here today. I'm trying to install this muzzle brake that I ordered, and I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting it to time right. The crush washer that came with it is not crushing, and the muzzle brake does not have any flats on it for a wrench. So I used the method of putting the screwdriver in and turning and backing it off and turning, and I'm still about a quarter of a turn away. So what I'm trying now is kind of filing it down with sandpaper. I've got some really coarse sandpaper here and some really fine sandpaper here that I'm going to just kind of file it down and then smooth it out a little bit and go little by little until I can actually get it timed to where the port right here is lined up on the top. So we'll see how it goes. So I'll put the muzzle brake on so you can see where it's timed. Alright, and I've been working this already for a little while with the sandpaper. You can see these 3 holes here need to be on top. So I've got a little bit of ways to go. So what I'm going to keep doing is slowly just filing this part down on the rough sandpaper and then smooth it out a little bit on here and just keep checking it every so often until I can get it lined up. So I'm going to do this for a little while and I'll be right back. Okay, it's getting a little closer. It's still going to take some work though, I'll show you. You see the portholes are lining up a little bit better, so this is going to take some time, and it's just trial and error. Just grind away at it for a little while and then smooth it out and just keep trying. I don't want to overshoot it, because if I do, then I'm going to have to keep going until I can make a full revolution. Now, I thought about ordering some washers online and using those instead of the crush washer, but I kind of want to get this done because I want to shoot it this weekend, and today's Friday, so I'm just going to keep grinding away on this crush washer until I can get it timed to where these 3 holes are pointing up to the top. So stay tuned. In case you're wondering, this sandpaper, I just had it out in the garage. It's pretty aggressive. It's 50 grit sandpaper. It doesn't have to be that. You know, like 180, I'm sure would work fine, but this is all I had, and it actually, you know, it takes away the metal pretty quick. And I like to just come back to this. This is wet sandpaper. I think it's 2000, yeah, 2000 grit. I'm just doing this to kind of smooth any burrs that may be on it. So I'm just repeating this until it lines up. Alright, let's see where we're at. Better. Almost there. You can see now our top port holes are almost where they need to be, and I could try to put the screwdriver in and turn, but I've I tried that earlier. This crush washer just does not want to crush at all. What I'll probably do is get it to where it's almost lined up and then try to use the screwdriver to get that final torque on it. So stay tuned. That is so close. So close. Let me get the rifle centered in here so it's easier to tell. Alright. I'm going to try to do the final torque with the screwdriver, but I've got a feeling I'm going to have to do a little bit more sanding. So close. It did turn a little bit with the screwdriver, so I'm going to back it off. I hate doing this because I feel like I'm scratching up the inside of the muzzle brake, which I know it doesn't really matter, but if I don't have to, I'd rather not. Oh, so close. It's literally like 1/8 of an inch turn away. Let me see if I can do the... Okay, let me show you where I'm at. I think just one more thing of sanding and we should be good. You can see it's almost there. Whew, that hurts if you slip off. That's some rough sandpaper to hit your fingertips. All right, I'm gonna get a towel, just kind of clean this up a little bit. All right, so let's do a dry fit here. Let's see where we're at. I think we're gonna be pretty darn close. Yeah, I think I'm going to be able to get that final torque with the wrench. So let me show you where I'm at before I torque it down with the wrench. See, it just needs to go just a hair clockwise from where we're looking. So let's do that final torque. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on here. Okay, let's see if I can get it. So close. So close. Alright guys, I think we got it. I think we got it. It is pretty close. Let's see what you think. I think I'm going to go with that. Fire it for a little bit, make sure it doesn't loosen up. But yeah, I'm going to call that good. When I first started this, these top portholes were down here at like the 7 o'clock position. So I went online and started looking at spacers, some washers. And like I said, I didn't want to wait. I want to shoot it this weekend. And this seems like it's going to work. We'll go from here and see what happens. Thanks for watching.